It's exciting news. The Fly and Ride channel has its first official sponsor right here. That's my fault. I saw you. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. Check out the crew today. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Look at Senior's brand new Speed Triple 12 RR Britlining Edition. You got Mr. Holy Shift on the Aprilia and Mr. Glenn on that rocket on the Pikes Peak. We're headed to New Hope. We're bringing you with us. Let's roll. Listen to that thing. That thing's a ripper. Let's go. That's the crew. Mr. Holy Shift. Oh yeah! Senior's been using a little bit more than 10-15%. Baby. Woo! Wow! Spaceship! My fault. That's my fault. I saw you. I thought it was sending me to the left. You're hauling ass, brother.
This is easier to ride than the Harley.
That was my fault. I thought it was sending me left and it sent me right. My bad. All right, let's go. I'm officially fired. That was completely my fault. Sorry, boys. I noticed it too late, and Glenn freaking went over the damn grass. That bike is a beast. I think these temperatures, in my opinion, are the perfect temperatures for riding. 62 degrees. Let me know what you think if you agree down in the comments below. To be right up there. We are here on location. Look how beautiful this destination is. And what a great time for me to share this exciting news. The Fly and Ride channel has its first official sponsor right here. Motorcycle Depot. Over 200,000 parts for your ordering pleasure. And I'm super happy. Thank you, Motorcycle Depot. Obviously, the first sponsor, in my view, is a very special relationship. It's the starting point, hopefully, of an amazing relationship and journey as my channel continues to grow. And obviously, I just wanted to say thank you to them. And of course, Stay tuned. I'm going to give you more details. There's going to be discount codes. There's going to be links in all of the videos. But I could not be happier and frankly just grateful to Motorcycle Depot for being the first official sponsor. Doing a little rowing. That's pretty cool.